And then comes the turnaround already. Okay, we play this on the 17th G. Okay, so we pull off from 17 to 15 on the G, and then to 17 D, back to 15 G, back to D 17, and then a hammer on, and then move up with your ring finger to 12 D, and then pick these 3 notes. Okay, slide, and then play both the D and a G string, and then we play, or if you can stretch, okay, on the 5th fret, sorry, on the 7th fret, on the A string, okay, to conclude the turnaround. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this lesson in open G tuning, and please take in all my lessons in open G tuning. There's a playlist right here, and it's a lot of fun stuff there for you if you're interested in open G tuning. Until next time, I will see you soon.